Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best retractable driveway fence is probably one of the most versatile and practical solutions for homeowners looking to enhance security, privacy, and aesthetic appeal for their driveways, offering a unique blend of functionality and style that can transform your property's entrance into a more controlled and visually pleasing space. Number 5. Sunnyglade 6-foot x 50-foot privacy screen fence. Looking for an economical way to enhance your privacy? This screen is perfect for chain-link fences, retaining walls, or even around your pool. It effectively blocks unwanted views and noise. Crafted from sun-protected HDPE fabric, this screen is built to last. It features durable brass grommets along reinforced edges for added strength and longevity. Beyond privacy, it offers protection for gardens and nurseries, acts as a windbreaker, and provides shade for pets. Its breathable fabric allows air and water to pass through freely. With more copper grommets spaced evenly and reinforced binding along the edges, this screen is designed to withstand wind effectively. This ensures it stays securely in place. Installation is a breeze. Simply use the included zip ties to attach the grommets to your existing fence. It comes with extra straps for a snug and secure fit. Transform your backyard, patio, or garden into a private oasis. It helps to block unsightly views and reduce noise, creating a more peaceful environment for you to enjoy. What we like. If you're looking for the most budget-friendly way to add privacy to your existing chain-link fence, this is a great option. Its durable HDPE fabric and reinforced grommets make it a long-lasting choice for concealing your yard or patio. It's perfect for those who want to block unsightly views without a significant investment. What people say. This privacy screen holds up well against the elements. After a few months of exposure to wind, rain, and sun, it still looks as good as the day I installed it, no fading, fraying, or damage. It looks great and provides the perfect amount of privacy without making the yard feel too closed off. Easy to install and secure, it stays in place even during windy conditions. Number 4. Mom's Choice 120-inch extra wide retractable baby gate. Introducing a product that has earned the Mom's Choice Award. It's designed to keep your loved ones safe and secure. This gate extends up to 120 inches wide and 35 inches tall, offering a flexible barrier. When not needed, the mesh conveniently retracts out of sight. Worried about baseboards? Our adjustable bottom mounting accessories allow for a perfect fit, regardless of your baseboard height. Easily operated with just one hand, perfect for when you're juggling a baby or carrying items. It's simple for adults but a challenge for little ones and pets. This versatile gate provides a secure play area for both babies and pets, ensuring peace of mind for everyone. Its adaptable design makes it suitable for various locations, including stairways, doorways, hallways, and even outdoor spaces like decks and patios. What we like. If you have a large opening that needs securing and appreciate the convenience of a gate that disappears when not in use, this is the one. Its ability to adjust for baseboards makes installation a breeze, even on tricky walls. It's ideal for parents and pet owners who need a reliable barrier for wide doorways or hallways. What people say. Installation was an absolute breeze, taking mere minutes to set up. The clear and concise instructions guided me through the process effortlessly, and the included mounting hardware made it incredibly simple. One of the standout features of this retractable gate is its sleek design and space-saving functionality. When not in use, it neatly retracts into its housing, staying completely out of the way. The results have been amazing. It is so easy to extend and retract this gate, and the elegantly designed lock feature makes the flexible mesh sturdy enough to deter those who try to get underneath. Number 3. 110-inch retractable baby and pet gate. Tired of struggling with gates that don't fit your large openings? This extra-wide gate is designed to cover even the most expansive spaces in your home. Enjoy the flexibility of a retractable design. It easily retracts when not in use, providing a clean and uncluttered look. Whether you need to secure your stairs indoors or create a safe zone outdoors, this versatile gate is built to withstand various environments. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe. It serves as an effective barrier for both babies and pets, offering peace of mind. This long gate provides a secure and reliable barrier for doorways and other large openings. It's the perfect solution for keeping your loved ones safe. What we like. For those needing a versatile gate for large openings, this retractable option offers excellent flexibility. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor spaces, providing a secure barrier where you need it most. If you value a solution that can adapt to various entry points and be easily stored away, consider this gate. What people say. Very easy install and retract works great. The anchors in the wall are very sturdy and secure. I love that it's not in the way at all when rolled up compared to a metal fence style gate would be. The material is see-through so I can still watch the kids and it reaches to a great length. Also looks nice as a doorway. Number 2. Zippity Portable Puppy Fence Kit ZP19055. Introducing our portable puppy fence, the perfect solution to keep your furry friends safe indoors or outdoors. It's ideal for doorways, porches, and patios, ensuring your pet stays within a designated area. Please note, it's best suited for smaller pets. Setting up this fence is a breeze. You can have it fully assembled in approximately 30 minutes, giving you more time to enjoy with your pet. No need for complicated installation or digging. This fence is designed to be freestanding and comes with portable feet, making it lightweight and easy to move wherever you need it. Each panel measures 22 inches high by 44 inches wide, and you receive 2 panels per box. You can easily expand the size by purchasing additional units and connecting them. Beyond pet containment, this charming picket fence is also great for protecting your holiday decorations, Christmas trees, and gifts from little ones and pets. Built to last, this fence is weatherproof and comes with a 10-year warranty. We are confident in its durability, ensuring satisfaction for years to come. What we like. If you need a temporary and easily movable fence for smaller pets or to protect specific areas, this is a fantastic choice. Its freestanding design means no installation hassle, and you can customize the size by adding more panels. It's perfect for keeping pets away from decorations or creating a safe play zone on your porch or patio. What people say. These freestanding fences are balanced and stable enough that my larger dogs cannot knock them over, but lightweight enough that it is easy for me to move one to open like a gate for larger dogs to pass and go out into the yard to run and do their business. Very easy to assemble and looks great around our pool. Keeps our little dog out of the pool, yet it is easy to step over. No need to put holes in the concrete and we can quickly remove them if have a poolside or backyard gathering. It was easy to assemble, straightforward and is exactly what I need. I put together 8 boxes of these by myself. I am a very dainty woman and I managed to do this alone. Anyone can put it together. Looks good around my pool and does the job. Number 1. ALEKO 12x6 London Dual Swing Driveway Gate DG12 LOND. Introducing the ALEKO 12x6 London Dual Swing Driveway Gate. This robust gate is built for stability and longevity, ensuring top performance for years to come. Enhance your home's curb appeal with its elegant European-inspired design. The spiked and arched top, along with stylized swirls, gives it a dramatic and sophisticated look. Crafted from hot-dipped galvanized steel with a powder paint coating, it's protected against rust and weather damage, preserving its timeless beauty. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: 2 gate panels, 2 gate posts, and 4 heavy-duty hinge J-bolts for a complete installation. Provide a sophisticated enclosure for your driveway or any outdoor area. It enhances privacy and ensures the safety of your children and pets. We believe your home is your sanctuary. That's why this gate offers not just security and privacy, but also adds an elegant touch to your home's exterior. What we like. If you're looking for a robust and stylish security solution for your driveway or a wide property entrance, this gate is ideal. Its dual swing functionality and durable, anti-rust construction ensure both convenience and longevity. Choose this if you want to enhance your home's curb appeal while ensuring safety and privacy. What people say. The welds are robust and the hinges are heavy-duty. The gate came fairly quickly. The paint job was good. It was definitely a nice heavy gate. The gate has held up to kids swinging on it, a super cold and wet winter and blazing hot summer. Finish still looks perfect. Beautiful gate, good workmanship. Delivery was quicker than stated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.